Hey everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. I'm finally back to share the other kit share that I've got. This is for the month of March, and I'll show you the little, I got a card, but there is a coupon in there that we use for the scrap parties, and Christina draws names and then you get a chance to win, which is what my Maggie Holmes kit was winning from one of those tickets. So that was in there. And then here is my kit. So this is my March kit. I've already shared my April one, right? Because that was what was brought up to me first. But this one is a very fun one, and it includes stuff. I asked her to create me a kit based around the spring market collection because it's so pretty. And included in that, she gave me the Vicky Boughton Rose Gold paste, which is beautiful. I've already used it on a layout, which I posted this morning. So I love it. I'm so excited to get this. She sent me the whole 6x6 paper pad. My goodness. This is the second kit that I've gotten an entire paper pad from. I was excited, like super excited. It's beautiful. She gave me a few more of the big doilies. So these are fabulous. I have a bunch in my stash from when I was part of Big Mom Scraps, but these are always lovely to have because you can never get enough doilies. I got the gold. Here, let's see if there's a... So these are rose gold I Am. So this is the I Am collection, I believe. But they're gold and they're beautiful and they match the kit perfectly. So that was really fun. And then these beautiful little tiny alphas. I love these. They're perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. So these are called Happy Life and they're absolutely amazing. And I think that one's gold and one is rose gold. So you get a bit of each, and look at how many alphas there are. I love this size. That's amazing. And then for my paper, I have this one, which is probably my favorite sheet in the entire collection. And it is from the spring collection. It's called Border Stripes because the back of it has all of these different ones. Look at those fun rain boots, or galoshes, I guess you can call them. They're really fun. Really pretty. I might use a couple of these, and then I'm definitely going to take advantage of that beautiful paper. The wood grain, this one is 3x4 journaling cards on the other side here. So those are really pretty. I love the delicateness of it, but like the green isn't too crazy because you all know me and my issue with green. This card is really pretty, and I like this one with the little tag. Here's this beautiful floral with the green. I really actually like this side of it, and this one is called the Market Floral. These ones are the 4x6 journaling cards, so that's the back, which is a beautiful and really easy to use for the background. And then there are the 4x6 cards, which are really fun. That one's really cute, playful. I love it. And then I said I like that tag, so look, I have a whole sheet of them. How fun is that? Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. And then the back is a black, a white print on black, and this one is called Floral Tags. Funny enough. Wreath decor, so this is a nice whitewash with the beautiful wreaths on this side. So I'll probably take advantage of this side for sure. And then here is a beautiful piece of black with black words on black. That's really cool. And look at these fun butterflies. And there's pink butterflies on the back. And this is the one piece that isn't from the collection. It is Jen Hatfield's Patio Party. And it's absolutely beautiful. And it fits perfectly with the collection. And I absolutely love it. And then I also received the 12x12 sticker sheet for the collection as well. And I love it. I love these rain boots. I actually kind of like this green. So like I said, it's going to be fun to play with because it works really well. And though I finished my spring series with Daisy already, you know, I might hold off maybe, and we'll use it next year when spring comes around, or I'll use the photos I have from this spring to scrap with them. And then my goodies include Christina's attempt at making me use enamel shapes. I have an issue with enamel dots. and she likes to challenge me and make me use things anyways. Look at these beautiful, these are like the best size. They're not thick at all. You definitely can put them on your layouts. They're smaller than flare. So if you can put a flare on your layout, you can put these beautiful rose. Oh, they're so pretty. So darker pinks, 2 light pinks, and like a cream. I love them. And then these awesome gold hearts. And then she sent me, I was loving this stuff. I was so jealous when everyone was getting this. This is the trim and stuff that a lot of people got if they got Maggie Home stuff. And so I got it in both the white and the gold. So talk about being spoiled. I was super excited about that. These are beautiful. I'm probably going to hoard them and probably not use them because they're so pretty. So that'll be wasteful, but I just want to look at them. And then finally, she sent me a ton, and I mean a ton of die cuts. So these are all from the collection, I believe. They all look like they match. So a bunch of tags, a frame, and the wood veneer, happiness blooms within, hello spring, home sweet home, that beautiful little banner there. Oh, that is gorgeous. Plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. Look at that tag. Oh, me and my tags. And look at that tag. Another little frame. Oh my goodness, I love them. They're so pretty. Another frame. I was loaded with frames. I love it. And then all these little pieces, let it bloom. There's another little die cut there. There's that one. This one's beautiful. And this one says love grows here. So tons of little die cuts and stuff. And then the sticker sheet and everything else to go along. I already have like dimensional stuff I've got in my stash, so I'm going to be able to add that in perfectly. And I love it. It's beautiful. It was all based off, like I said, the Spring Market collection, and I adore it. This kit is fabulous. It was a $30 kit, so with shipping I think it's like $35. And this collection, just in case you're wondering, is created by Cartabella. So thanks everyone for watching. If you haven't heard of the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, which would surprise me, especially if you watch my videos, but you can always go ahead and check it out. You go to redefinecreative.com, you fill out the little profile that Christine's got for you, and she'll get in contact with you, and then you get to be part of our Facebook group, which is really the best part about the kit. Besides the fact that you're getting kits curated just for you and what you're wanting, the Facebook group has a monthly crop that we do and just a bunch of stuff. Amazing ladies are a part of it. It's a very positive environment, and it's a very safe environment is the word I'm kind of thinking for. So hop on over if you're interested, and you have to be actually a part of the Kit Club to be a part of the Facebook group. It's the only catch. So thanks everyone so much for watching, and I'm excited to create with this. Bye everyone.